Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, into this video we'll be withdrawing from the Cheelee app. Alright, so I would have introduced this app to you guys before now, but I wanted to make sure that it's really paying, and I make sure I have proof before making a video about it. Okay, so today I'll be making my first withdrawal. Alright, so please note that before I was able to earn up to this amount, I already purchased a particular glass. All right, so after we withdraw, I'll be showing you guys how this app works. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Please, if you are new to this channel or you are coming across my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, in this channel we upload videos about how to make money online, crypto airdrops, and other fast way to make money through your mobile phone. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into this video, guys. Now, before you make a withdrawal, you must have a particular amount in your external wallet, in your BNB external wallet. All right, so from the interface of the app, immediately you log into the app, you will be, you can start watching videos immediately. All right, you can start watching videos immediately. After that, after you might have earned some token from here, all right, some Wcoin from here, then you now go to where you can withdraw. To withdraw, you just need to click on this end button. Okay, so you need to know that there's a particular amount you must get to before you are able to watch a video, before you are able to make a withdrawal. All right, so and that's, I think, 1.4 Li before you'll be able to withdraw. And now I have 10 Li, which is equivalent to $21. All right, so you click on your the wallet. Then you have both internal wallet and external wallet. External wallet, you connect your BNB wallet to it. All right, that is the place you can withdraw your money from. Okay, please know that it's not just your direct wallet that you have to connect to this app, but your Web3 wallet from Binance that you can connect to this app. All right, so now from the after connecting your Web3 app to Binance, all right, I have not after I have not connected my, there is another way, I have not sent money to this wallet yet. So that's why, that's the OSS of this video, to show you all the process right from scratch, the detailed process. Okay, so I don't want to skip any part of the video, because most of the video you get online, they will not show you the process of getting your money into BNB, okay, into the BNB wallet on the Cheelee app. So before we get some money into here, then we need to first go and withdraw our money from the internal wallet to the external wallet. Okay, now to withdraw your money from internal wallet to external wallet, you click on the Li which you have here. You click on Li. All right, so when you click on Li, it will show you to either to transfer or sell. You can either sell directly or transfer, but if you sell directly from my country here in Nigeria, the cost, the charges will be much, and the conversion rate will be very high. So I don't want to sell direct, so I want to transfer to my wallet address, and then just sell it off from there. So if I click on transfer, although I never knew there is this more charges, you have to take note of this charges here. Okay, so I never knew there was this much of a charges. This is something that well, let's see, 30% is kind of high for something I purchased myself. It's kind of high though. All right. After that, you just click on I want to withdraw from the internal wallet to the external wallet, and I click on max, and I click on confirm. Say not enough BNB in the Play wallet, so we need to go and transfer. We need to go and transfer BNB to our external wallet. All right. Now to do that on our external wallet, we click on the BNB and we'll click on receive. We copy the wallet address, and then we'll go to our Binance app. When we come to our Binance app, this is the main Binance app. All right. So for you to get to Web3, you need to click on your wallet here. You need to click on the wallet button here. All right. When you click on the wallet button, you switch it from exchange to Web3. You switch it from this guy to this guy. Okay, so now we are now in the Web3. As you can see, I have some amount of USD from amount of Binance in my Web3 wallet. So I'll just click on the Binance and then click on send. All right, so I'm sending, so I click on send, and then I paste that wallet address we just copied, and it said continue. Then click on continue. So it's asking for how much are we going to send. We want to send just $1. Okay, send 0.001 2. Okay, 0.02, that's what we want to send. So it said this is the amount you are sending, this is the wallet address, this is the smart chain, and this is the. All right, we need to confirm it, so just confirm. All right, it has been sent. It has been submitted successfully. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, we'll pause the video and I will take you guys back. We'll be back to see. All right, as you can see, the money has just arrived in our Cheelee app, as you can see here. So let's try and make that transfer to to our external wallet and see what happens. Then you click on your Lee app, you click on transfer, and then you do mass. I'm transferring everything and do confirm. So I should confirm. I will receive 7.45 Lee. Well, what to do? All right, take it. Done. So this amount has been withdrawn from my internal wallet. Let's go to our external wallet and see. So the money has just arrived in our external wallet. All right, so as you can see on the external wallet, we have 14 USD. Okay, so to withdraw this amount, we need to go and copy this wallet address from the Binance Web3 app. So under the Binance Web3 app, you can just click on receive. Click on receive. When you click on receive, you just click on Lee. Either you click on Lee, you type Lee, or you just use the direct BNB chain, okay, to take us to it's still the same thing. If you click on Lee now, you can see the wallet address. All right, it's the same thing as the main Binance Web3 wallet address. It's the same thing. All right, for you to know now, let me make it clear to you. If you click on this on the BNB app, and then you click on receive, you see that the wallet address is the same as the Lee. As you can see, the wallet is the same. So I will just copy the BNB wallet and then go back to Cheelee. When you get to Cheelee, on our external wallet, I want to make withdrawal of our chill amount. So we want to withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then we put in the wallet address, and then we click on max. All right, click on max. Then we click on confirm. Then we click on confirm again. And then we click on done. So you can see the money has disappeared away from our wallet and it has arrived in Binance. Okay, as you can see. So when you click on it now, as you can see now, the balance have increased to 26 USD, and we now have this amount here in our Lee wallet. So what I'm going to do now is just to convert my Lee to my Binance and then transfer the amount to my wallet and sell. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.